Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take Up. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bigo Life Diamond. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Bigo Life app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you're going to see options like Live, Video, Go Live, Chats, and Me. Tap on Me option from the bottom right corner of the screen. Now from there, navigate your way to Wallet option where you'll see options like Diamonds and Beans. Under Diamonds, you can see your current diamond, the recharge option, and below that you'll see Diamond Recharge where you can see the price of number of diamonds. Like for example, there's $0.29 for 10 diamonds. Just go ahead and select one of those options, then select confirm to pay. Once you do that, go ahead, add your payment details and buy Bigo Life Diamond. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.